Do you worry what people think about you? You're not alone.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Simple English Podcast.
Today, we talk about caring too much and how to stop.
Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Click that bell for notifications.
So, why do we care so much about other people's opinions?
Good question. Opinion means what someone thinks. We all want people to like us.
That's normal, but sometimes we care too much.
Exactly. For example, you wear a red shirt. Someone says, I don't like red.
And you feel bad all day. You worry about it.
Tell us in the comments, do you worry what people think? Share your story.
Here's the truth. Most people think about themselves, not about you.
Yes, they're too busy worrying about their own life.
So, how do we stop caring so much?
First tip, ask yourself, will this matter tomorrow?
Matter means be important. Great question to ask.
If someone doesn't like your shirt, will it matter tomorrow? No.
Second tip, focus on people who love you. Ignore the rest.
Your real friends support you. They don't judge you.
Judge means to think bad things about someone.
Comment below, who are the people who support you? We want to know.
Third tip, be yourself. Don't change for others.
This is so important. You are perfect just as you are.
Let me give you a real example. My friend Maria loved singing.
What happened?
Someone said, your voice is not good. Maria stopped singing for years.
Oh no, that's so sad.
But then she thought, I love singing. That's what matters.
And now?
Now she sings every day. She's so happy.
Beautiful story. The lesson? Do what makes you happy.
Not what makes other people happy.
Remember to subscribe to the Simple English Podcast. Don't forget.
Here's another tip. Practice saying, it's okay.
What do you mean?
Someone doesn't like you? Say, it's okay. Not everyone will like me.
It's okay to be yourself.
Exactly. You can't make everyone happy. It's impossible.
Impossible means you cannot do it, no matter what.
So stop trying. Focus on your happiness.
This is great advice. Comment your thoughts below.
Last tip, remember, opinions are just thoughts, not facts.
Fact means something true. Opinion is just what someone thinks.
If someone says you're not smart, that's their opinion, not a fact.
You are smart. You're learning English right now.
That's right. Learning a new language is very smart.
Please share this video with your friends who need to hear this.
Let's practice a useful phrase. I don't need everyone to like me.
Say it with us. I don't need everyone to like me.
How do you feel now?
I feel free, light, happy.
That's the goal, to feel free and be yourself.
Tell us in the comments, what will you stop worrying about today?
We really want to know. Your comments help us make better videos.
Remember, you are enough, just as you are.
Don't change yourself for anyone.
Now, let's review the vocabulary we learned today.
Great idea. Here are the key words.
Opinion, what someone thinks about something.
Matter, to be important.
Judge, to think bad things about someone or something.
Impossible, cannot do it, no matter what.
Fact, something that is true.
Support, to help someone and be kind to them.
Practice these words every day.
Write them in the comments, it helps you remember.
Thank you so much for watching today.
We hope this helps you worry less and enjoy life more.
Please subscribe to the Simple English Podcast. Hit that notification bell.
Share with friends who are learning English.
And tell us, what topic do you want next? Comment below.
We love reading your comments. They make us so happy.
Remember, be yourself, be kind, and don't worry so much.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.
And remember, you're doing great. Bye.